tried to get us close to it.
Dude, that was fucking...
I tried to get the wall.
Good shit, man.
Heck yeah.
That was good.
What's up, everybody? So it is roughly 7 a.m. I am at the obligatory Buc-ee stop about 100 miles from Houston. I left super early this morning. I have all my wheels and tires in the back here, plus a spare in the trunk. Today is the import face-off at Houston Motorsports Park, where I am doing paid ride-alongs all day long. So hopefully we'll be able to have some fun and make some serious money today to kind of pay for all the stuff that we had to do to this car previous to this trip. Just yesterday, I had to get Patrick with Crescent Repair back over to the house and we had to replace the power steering line, the main high pressure power steering line, replace the intake gasket, replace the spark plug gaskets, and greased up the steering rack and replaced the battery. So it was quite the Saturday. I also cleaned a ton of pulls, so there was a lot of prep work going into this, but I'm ready. The car's ready. It feels great. I feel like it feels better than it has even before I went to Drift Week, so I'm pretty excited about it. I'm excited to shred, meet a whole bunch of new people, and make some money. So when you see this again, I'll be at the track, and thanks for sticking around. What's up, everybody? So we made it, and that racket behind me is, shout out to Max. He's got a sweet S13 coupe. Anyway, we made it out to IFO. It is a madhouse out here. It's completely sold out. We have drift ride-along scheduled. It is a bank track. It is a circle track with huge banks, and then Manji down the straight. There's drag racing, drifting, car shows. So we're gonna have quite the show to give you on this video for once, and hopefully you'll stick around. If you have stuck around for this long, make sure you comment and like and subscribe. Comment Tire Streets in the comments. I have a full set of all tire streets, the Accelera 651s, Accelera 5s. Just kind of ready to go crazy out here. So we've got drift ride-alongs, 2 laps, 40 bucks. Kind of got it written on the car. Yeah. There's Max.
Yeah, dude, it's fun.
being able to do it like in a controlled environment, not have to worry about cops or anything like that, man, it's real cool. Heck yeah, dude.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, dude, no problem, man. Thanks for coming. We're good. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I have my paper.
Okay, cool. You think you wear the same size or you need one bigger?
No, this size.
All right.
Yes. We were living here in Pasadena.
Okay.
We're working in Dallas, Sherman, Gilgore.
Okay, so you're just partying today, huh?
For fiber optic cable.
Oh, nice. Yeah, see, I build pools, so we hit a lot of those all the time. That all right? All right, cool. Make sure it was worth your time. I'm gonna turn around. Heck yeah, as long as that was worth it for you, buddy. Hey, we deep-heated on that last bank.
How old are these?
It's all good. It'll take me like 5 minutes.
Sonó la llanta. Sonó la llanta. Sí, ya cuando venían al último. ¿Qué tal?
Well, I'm glad you had fun, man.
Hell
I
yeah,
appreciate
man.
it. I appreciate
That was
both
fucking
rides.
badass.
It means a lot, you know.
Yeah. Shit, we appreciate y'all, you know, letting us.
Do what?
We appreciate y'all, you know,
Oh, yeah.
letting us come in the, you know,
Yeah, it's
car.
kind of a mutual thing, you know. I tried to get the wall.
Good shit, man.
Heck yeah.
That was good.
I kind of messed up that first one. You get down in that dip.
Yeah, bro, that
It's real slick, so it's kind of.
you did so
We might spin or pop a tire on this one.
That's fine.
It's a
That's
freebie,
fine.
yeah. I think they're both gone. I think we popped both of them.
We still good. Oh my god. We're at the.
We're good.
Woo, I can't even talk. It's the motorsport. And it's a professional track, don't worry.
Just share a seatbelt and helmet.
Woo, that was so fun. Dad, you need to come, bro.
Well, at least one of those was worth it, right?
Woo.